Before we start the championship ball game, we will recognize the players who did well this VRBL Inter-Alumni Season 2. May we call on Mr. BIP Drew Raganic for the awarding to the center court of our Mythical 5. First starting Mythical 5 from Team CEU, Mr. MJ Llagas. Second sa ating Mythical 5 from TIP, Mr. Fritz Trosio. Next sa ating Mythical 5 from LaSalle Green Hills, Sydney Mosqueda. Next sa ating Mythical 5 from Team CEU again, the big man, JB Pagkatipunan. And last sa ating Mythical 5, again from Team CU, Sid Castillo. Diretso na ba? Diretso na. Diretso na dito. Diretso na dito.